What is going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here in another episode. So it's an interesting weekend, an interesting week. I'm sorry, it's coming ahead on the markets. Let's see what's going to happen. Is it actually going to continue dropping? Is it going to start now, pushing up and creating new record highs? Let's see what's going to happen. So let's go ahead and jump in right quick. Starting on Nasdaq right here. I'm on a 4-hour time frame. You can see like constantly. Let me show you even right here. I'm going to show you the indicators for the swing strategy. You can see there that the market right now is getting closer again to the 600, right? You see in the past multiple times reaching um, the 600 SMA right here. You see it touched it several times. So once the market reaches this zone, remember we're on a 4 hour. Once it reaches this zone, we're going to be looking for a nice buy right here where we can actually hold it, uh, maybe even for a few months. Okay, this is basically for swing trading. So right now you can see that on a 4 hour, the market is definitely looking to reach this the 600 again. So let's see what's going to happen in this zone. This is a very interesting zone right now where a lot of buyers will love to get into, into the markets right here. Plus, you see all this consolidation. This is a big supply zone right here that the market is has tried to break like almost 6 or 7 times at least right there. So one thing we can use, remember, we can use our Fibonacci, from, let's see, from this low to the high right here. We are in the golden zone right now. The market has tested for like 3 times this golden zone. This is a big squeeze right now that is happening. I would say this is about to explode. Look at this consolidation basically right here. All those candles right there, almost like a lot of noise, up and down, up and down, up and down, a lot of indecision. So to me, it's like it's squeezing right now. So it's about to explode, either to the upside, going very high, creating new record highs, or could even get lower. Okay, let's see also right here on the daily. You see that normally as well the market tends to reach the 80. This is the 80 EMA. Let's try to go in the past. I believe this is basically right here. This is coronavirus right here. This massive drop, but you see even on the 80 on the daily time frame and checking the 80 EMA, the market reaches that zone and bounce. So reaches and bounce. Every time it goes below a little bit and then it starts looking, higher. So let's see what's going to happen here next week. Okay, if the market is actually going to, continue dropping or could get lower right here. Or look at this. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna try to remove this because I don't want to have too many things on my chart. So right here, guys, what are you seeing? You're starting to see signals that the market wants to reverse. What is the first signal? Right here. This reversal flag formation. Remember, if you clone this thing here and you paste it on the bottom right there, that's a nice reversal flag, right? So the price broke and now it's coming back down to read this. So several times, several things you see here, and one of them is basically. Let me get my dog out of my office. I'm sorry. Yeah. So you can see right here, you see these big momentum candles pushing right there. So it's a very big demand zone. Okay. This is an entire, you could say, from here, it's a big demand zone. Plus, it's been touched, like as I showed you there on a 4 hour, right here from the past, we are already touching that demand zone. So anything could happen right now at the moment. I am seeing this as a sign the market wants to push up. So on a 15-minute, looking nice for an actual buy right there. If it breaks this little trend to the downside, or it's a squeeze right now. It's a consolidation. You can also use your Fibonacci from, let's see here, from this low to that high right there. We are in a golden zone right now. We're also touching that little support right there. So I do believe the market will actually look for buys. It will look to go up, right? Okay. So we can spot, remember, these are previous 4 hour zones. So we can aim this one first, securing profits, maybe a stop loss or break even after getting into this one, and then aiming next zone right there. Okay. Once the market climbs on top of this 4 hour, oof, this could definitely start pushing up right there. All right, that's with Nasdaq. As a US 30, let's go first from the 4 hour time frame. Okay, we have, yeah, you see that the US 30 tends to consolidate a bit more. But right here, you see this massive push right now. And we could be having, as I mentioned, a correction. After that massive push, you see the market has, let's see, yeah, it has actually touched the 38.20. This could still go lower, okay? The US 30, the market could still go lower, all right? And maybe try to reach inside this zone. Remember, there's this 4 hour zone again from this channel right here that the market was in the past. So it could get this low, maybe right here, and then start consolidating before it actually starts finding new highs and then pushing up, right? So again, we're going to find some signals that the market wants to go up. If you remember this channel, you see that breakout of the channel, woof, immediately shooting up, right? This is a reversal flag. So I'm spotting this small channel right here, small trend, right, on a 5 minute. So market is reaching, this is could be a small demand zone right here also. So it's kind of like attractive for buyers. Let's see if it breaks, if I see signs breaking to to the upside right here, and also you see this 4 hour zone right here. If it starts breaking to the upside as well, nice, in a so we can spot some nice buys and aiming to previous 4 hour zones or previous record highs in the past. So that's basically it. Oh, the record highs are very, very on the top right there. So for the moment, this is how it's looking, guys, on a 5 minute right here. As I mentioned, this could be a small demand zone. Prices touched twice right there. After that, a double bottom, and then it could start actually pushing up. Let's see. Set some alerts around this area and just keep an eye on the market to see what's going to happen next week. But I do believe it's going to start pushing. But the things in this market, anything could happen. So let me show you here again. For this is S&P 500, right? We have this big trend right there, right? Let me use again. I'm gonna try to use the indicators for the swing strategy. There we go. So go on a 4 hour. You see right there that again, because once the market reaches the 600 on a 4 hour, it will try to climb back up. So we're looking for signals right here that can tell us, hey, buy, right? So right here, the market almost reached, actually did test it out, tested the 600 SMA, and now you see this channel. So the price broke to the upside. Nice buy right here, nice position on a buy. Now the price is pulling back right now. This is basically consolidation right here. You can say, a lot of craziness, volatility, down, up, and down again. So it's just up and down, up and down. You can use again your Fibonacci from the low to that high. You see that the market is within the golden zone right now. Let's see on the daily. Yeah, that's definitely some type of pullback right there. So if we go shorter right now, let me remove the indicators. Let me remove the Fibonacci. So all right, let's go in a smaller time frame, right? This could be a demand zone. Again, could be a demand zone. Not necessarily, as I mentioned, not just because it's reaching the demand zone, I'm going to just buy right away. You have to wait for those signs. All right. So right now, the market could still be just consolidating in this area, or even could still continue dropping. So you're gonna have to find some type of bullish formation. Okay, the market would have to tell you something before you buy. You can either wait for the breakout of this 4 hour before you start actually, making a buy, or let's say, on Monday, let's see what's gonna happen during London session on Monday. Once the London session opens, let's see what's going to give us somewhere around here in this area, if we can spot a buy or not, because this could easily still continue dropping. and reach the channel again. Try to get as close as to this channel or close to the 600 SMA right there. Okay, definitely it could continue dropping. So as I mentioned, guys, just follow price action. Let the price tell you where they want to go. Okay, once the market, if the market wants to drop all the way down here, don't worry, we're going to see something like this. Once the market wants to push up again, we're going to see some type of bullish formation, a bullish flag, so we can actually catch a nice buy right there and hold it for longer. So, anyways, that's basically it, guys. What I'm seeing, what I'm spotting on the market when it comes to indices. I wanted to show you right quick on gold as well. What is the vision on gold? I actually sent this setup to the VIP group. If you're interested, by the way, just let me know in the comment section below, or you can just go on the website, um, teamprofitsenglish.com, and you can find the information there for my course and for the mentorship and the VIP signal group. All right. So, anyways, um, I did send the analysis before the breakout happened. It's just that I completely missed it. I was doing some things, some personal things, and I actually missed the actual push. But it was a nice formation. I was predicting the market would actually reach, if it break this channel to the upside, it would reach at least this zone. Now we're having that pullback, right? So right now, if you are interested on getting onto a sell or a buy, I would recommend just waiting for the market to complete that pullback. Okay, I'm sure the market will reach this zone right here, so we can we can actually get into a buy once it gets into this zone. All right. Right now, let it drop. All right. And but it's looking nice. The formation was nice. Breakout was nice. Actually reached out very far. This is a big push. So we're going to have some type of correction right here, looking for buys to aim again the previous target right there. So, anyways, that would be all for today, guys. Again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Give it a big thumbs up. It motivates me to keep posting videos more often into the channel. All right. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Take it easy, guys.